Want to know how much electricity your Zoeller sump pump actually uses? Let's find out. The watt usage depends on the specific Zoeller sump pump model and motor size. Start by checking the pump label for important electrical information. The label usually shows voltage, amps, and other power details. To calculate watts, multiply the voltage by the amp rating shown. For example, 115 volts multiplied by 8 amps equals about 920 watts. Different horsepower ratings will use different amounts of electrical power. A smaller 1/3 horsepower Zoeller pump usually needs less energy. Many 1/3 horsepower pumps run around 400 to 800 watts. A half horsepower Zoeller pump requires more power during operation. Typical half horsepower models can use around 700 to 1100 watts. Larger 3/4 horsepower pumps need even more electrical capacity. The motor size directly affects the amount of power the pump consumes. Remember that running watts are different from startup power. When the pump turns on, the motor may briefly draw extra power. A watt meter can help measure your pump's real electricity usage. Plug the meter between the outlet and pump to see actual readings. Always compare measurements with your pump's rated specifications. The exact wattage depends on your model and operating conditions. Knowing the watt usage helps with backup power planning too. This information is useful if you are choosing a generator. A properly powered sump pump helps protect your home from flooding. Check your model number for the most accurate power estimate. Now you know how to find your Zoeller sump pump watt usage. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more helpful home equipment guides.